Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Wealthfront account step by step clearly. To activate your Wealthfront account, first, visit the Wealthfront website. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that meets the outlined requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Wealthfront. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected to the Wealthfront platform. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll need to complete your profile setup. Provide your personal details, including your name and date of birth. Fill in your address and social security number as required. Complete the financial information section, including your income and investment goals. Review and accept the terms and conditions presented. Submit your information to officially create your account. Once your account is set up, you may need to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account for funding. You will also have the option to select your investment preferences. Make your selection based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, confirm your selections and complete the activation process. Your Wealthfront account is now successfully activated. You can start exploring the various investment options available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.